Hey guys, welcome to Pizza Tips Pro. This is Shrija over here, and in today's video we're gonna see how to create a landing page in WordPress. So before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the Pizza Tips Pro, please do subscribe. So now let's get into the video. So, a landing page is where you can promote any product or service you want. You can give free ebooks to get more subscribers. Like creating a landing page is a better way to improve your business. So, in this video, we will see how can we create a landing page on your WordPress in 4 steps. So, our first step is launching your WordPress site. So how to launch your WordPress site and all I have discussed in the previous videos. You can go back to those videos and you can check them out, and we will see briefly about them now. So our first step of launching your WordPress website is choosing your WordPress site, and then your second step will be getting your hosting and domain service provider and registering on them, and our third step is installing WordPress, and our next step will be creating your landing page. So this is our second step. We'll go see how can we create a landing page after you launch your WordPress website. So now let's get into the second step. So this is your WordPress dashboard. So this is my WordPress dashboard. So here your first step in order to create your landing page is, firstly you need to log into your WordPress site and go to this is your WordPress dashboard. So now here firstly we need to install a theme. So in order to install a theme, we'll go to the appearances and click on themes, and you can add new theme. Click on add new theme, and now you need to search for your theme. So search for a theme called as Hello Elementor. So this is a theme that we are looking for. You can have a preview of it just by clicking on it, and then now we'll click on install it. So once you install it, we need to activate this on our page. So you can see over here your theme of your website has been changed now. So our next step will be installing a plugin called as Elementor. In order to install this plugin, we'll go back to our WordPress dashboard, and in the left section you will find plugins. Click on it and click on add new plugin. So then we need to search for a plugin called as Elementor, and let's search for it. Now we can see a plugin called as Elementor. So click on install now. So once this Elementor website builder is installed, we can activate this on our WordPress. So let it install. So this has been installed. Now let's click on activate. So in order to activate this plugin, and this plugin has been activated now. Now we need to choose design for our landing page. In order to choose the design for our landing page, click on new, click on page, your landing page or page, you can just create it. So click on edit with Elementor and then go to the settings below here. You can see, so click on the settings and scroll down and make sure that your page layout is like a Elementor canvas, and then now we need to choose our design for the landing page. So now let's click on this. So now we need this landing page. So you can search for your landing pages or you can choose for one of them over here. So then we'll choose one of these designs to our landing page. So let me take this, and once you get a preview of this, you can insert this design onto your WordPress or onto your page, So click on insert. So if you haven't yet signed into this Elementor library, you can just sign up. It just takes you 2 minutes, so we'll do it quickly. And now we have added this design to our page, so now you can change this content. So this is our last step in So this is the last step of creating your landing page, that is adding content to this design. So in order to change this content, you can just select this. You can add your own content, like if you are if your business is about some products and all, you can just add it, like beauty products. Like it's all about your creativity and your theme, your business relevancy and all. And then you can even change the text of the button, like you can just click on it and you can find this. You can attach the link where the button should navigate your visitors to. You can change this text also, like you can change it over here or there, it's okay. Like you can say book now or order now, you can give anything. And then you can change the size, you can change this icon spacing also, and you can do this all. And then you can even change this up images. You can click on the image, you will get it here. You can click on choose image in order to upload your own picture. And also if you want to remove any section from this, you can go click on this section, and if you want to remove this section, you can go click on it. You can click on this delete section. So in order to see the details of users who are visiting your landing page, we need to create an email setup. So in order to create an email setup, we need to firstly create our account in the mailpoet.com. So we'll go to a new tab and we'll search for mailpoet and we'll get this. So go into this, and then we need to sign up. We need to create an account for us. So now let's have a sign up. So give your email address and password. I'll quickly give it. So here my sign up is successful, and now we'll get a confirmation email. Go to your inbox and activate your email, your confirmation email. So here we go, I have signed up, and now click on add plan. So you can see it here. So for me 1000 subscribers are enough and it is free. So click on get free plan, and you can just fill out this, like how did your subscribers join your list. It's like a quick question session, so you can just answer it according to your website, your business and all. So here firstly we need our website address, so I'll give my website address. It's pctipspro.com, and I'll just quickly fill this up. So here you go. So after filling that out, click on skip this step and you're all done. And now what we need to do is we need to install a plugin for this mailpoet. So we'll go back to our WordPress dashboard again. So don't forget to click on publish after you make all the changes here. So we are back to this WordPress dashboard now. Go to the plugins and click on add new plugin. So now let's search for our plugin. So click on search plugins and you need to search for mailpoet. So got this. So click on install now. As soon as it get installed, you can just activate it on your WordPress. So it would take a couple of seconds. So now it has been installed. You need to click on activate. So now it is been activated on your WordPress. So now we are all done. So here you can find this mail poet. So go to the settings of mail poet now, and you can see this key activation that we need. So once you go to the settings, so get back here and you need to just copy down this key which you got and you paste it over here in this key activation. So then you can just verify, click on verify, and your mail poet gets verified. So now the next step is, so now in order to add a form, firstly we need to go to this mail poet and click on the forms. So once you click this forms, click on new form. On this adding a new form, you get many pages over here, so you can select which kind of form we need. So we'll see, I wanted this form, so let's select that form. And then here you got your form. So this is how your form looks like. So you can even add some more columns, like by clicking this add block here. By clicking on this add block, you can add some more columns, and you can change this text also. Like, you have this get 20% off here, so you can give it as grab it now. So like that, you can just change this according to your relevancy and your choice. You can change this and then get back to this form, and we need to select this list to be newsletter mailing list, and the message that is to be shown after the your visitors fill up this should be like, thank you for subscribing, thanks for subscribing. So this way you can do this, and then click on save. So once you save this, go to the form placement, and here you can find this. So once you click on the shortcode, you will get this shortcode. So select this shortcode and copy this, and then we'll go back to our page and have to add this email address block. We'll see. So wherever you want to add this block, just go to this search widget and search for shortcode, and you will get this. Drag this icon and place it over here. So here you got this, and just paste your shortcode here with this code. So your block will be appearing here. You can make changes again by using this Elementor elements and all, and this is how you can add your email subscribing block to your WordPress website. And then once, let's go back and see where do we get these emails. So once you do this, click on publish, and when you get back to this WordPress dashboard, you can see your emails. Click on this emails so that you will see emails that have been submitted. Like, let's set up our emails. Click on setup. So when someone subscribes to your list, if you want to immediately want to send them a welcome message, welcome email, you can just select accordingly. Like, do you want to send this welcome email immediately, or some hours later, or some days later, or some weeks later? I want to send it immediately, so I'll click on sending immediately, and then click on next. And then it is we need to choose a template for our email. So I want a simple text template, so I'll choose one, select this, and you can see this preview, and this is how your email welcome email looks like. You can change this like you can customize this template according to your your information, your business information, and you can send to the users as soon as they subscribe to your newsletter. So this is how it works. So this is all for this video, guys. This is how you can create your landing page, and you can create a blog of, where your visitors can subscribe to your newsletter. And this is how you can see how many people have subscribed. Like you'll get all the emails get over here in the email section, and you can send them some welcome emails and updates all at a time. So thank you for watching, guys. If you guys found this video useful to you, please do like, share and subscribe to PC Tips Pro.